What's up guys, this is Jude, and in this video I want to show you how to buy Tenset on Gate.io. I have done a video where I showed you how to buy Tenset on Uniswap, but some of you cannot get in because of the high transaction fee on Uniswap. Tenset is now on a centralized exchange, Gate.io, and in this video I want to show you step by step on how to buy Tenset on Gate.io. But when you buy Tenset on Gate.io, you cannot earn the dividend that comes with holding a Tenset token, but because Gate.io is a centralized exchange, you need to send it to a non-custodial wallet to be able to earn dividend on your Tenset token, and I'll be showing you as well how to do that. Plus, there are some other news I want to share with you on Tenset. Tenset was ranking #1 on CoinGecko. They have an integration. They are working on an integration with Visa, and Tenset is coming very soon on Binance Smart Chain. All this I'm going to give you details on, but first I want to show you how to buy Tenset on Gate.io. So without further ado, let's get to that. So to get started, you need to go to Gate.io and create an account. If you don't have an account with the Gate.io, there is a link in the description. Make sure you use that link to sign up. Once you're signed up, you need to go verify your account, then log on. Once logged on, this is what you're going to see. The first thing you have to do is to fund your wallet by clicking on deposit here. Now the Tenset pair on Gate.io is Tenset against USDT. So you need to deposit USDT to be able to buy Tenset here. To do that, I will suggest you use the USDT TRC20 token. You have zero fee when you are using this. With the others, you also pay high transaction fee. So I already have USDT on my Gate.io wallet. In case you have not done so, you have to use this wallet address or scan this code to make your deposit. If I go to my wallet, my spot wallet, you will see that I already have 193 USDT. So I'm going to use this to buy Tenset token. To do that, I'm going to go to trade here. Then I click on sports and click on standard. So this brings me to the trade room, and here I have to search for Tenset. So I select Tenset USDT, click on it. So if I come down here, I'll see buy Tenset and sell Tenset. I want to buy Tenset. Here is the order book. All right. So I would like to use a market order to make my purchase here, but I can't see a market order on Gate.io. Okay, so I just go through and buy from the sellers here. So I now I've purchased Tenset with all the USDT I have. So I now have 65.7043 Tensets in my wallet. So if I go to wallet again, if I go to wallet and click on spot account, if I come here, you see I now have 65 Tenset token. Now this is how you purchase Tenset on Gate.io. If I want to earn dividend on this Tenset, because Tenset is an ETF 2.0 project, which means that if you're holding the Tenset token on a non-custodial wallet like your MetaMask wallet, you are going to be receiving dividend on this coin, be receiving more of Tenset. It's a deflationary token. That is, when transactions are performed on Uniswap, 2% is added and 1% is distributed to all the Tenset holders. 1% of the transaction fee is distributed to all the holders of the Tenset token. You cannot do that if your Tenset is on Gate.io. It means you need to send it to a non-custodial wallet. Now, what you could do is to send it to your MetaMask wallet, which is your Ethereum, your MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum network. But this will also cost you a high transaction fee. You could do that, but there's another option. The option is that Tenset is going to be launched on Binance Smart Chain, which has a lower transaction fee, and which is going to actually lead to more transaction of the Tenset network, and we've seen it go into the moon. So what I would do is that I will leave my Tenset here. Once Tenset has been launched on the Binance Smart Chain, I'm going to move it there. That said, I want to show you some news going on in the Tenset about Tenset. One is the integration with the Visa. So let me just open this up. So Visa integration process is going on. But what I want to show you first is the roadmap. If you go to the second quarter of 2021, you see here, you see first test of the integration with Visa. This shows that Tenset is actually following their roadmap. All right. So let us read some things about this to get some information. So some steps of the Tenset project development are quick and easy, while others require time and combined efforts of our multiple departments. Tenset's long-term vision is to become a leader in the newly emerging financial sector, combining traditional world of finance with cryptocurrency. Today, we want to shed some light on the process of our integration with Visa, Tenset's key partner in the development of our financial products of the future. As the recent crypto bull run has been getting its full momentum, to our pleasant surprise, Visa has come out to fully indulge in cryptocurrency and decided to position itself in the front seats of the future blockchain-driven world of finance. Visa has recently shared many news and articles focusing on the changes in the financial sector and how they want to help developers incorporate their technologies into these projects. And these articles, you can read them on CoinDesk, USA.Visa. They have released some articles here. So what is Tenset doing? Now, the other main area Tenset is currently focusing our program effort on is Visa Crypto API, Visa Token Service, Visa Payment Processing, Visa DCVV2 Generation Authentication. We have also performed multiple tests to answer questions from the white paper describing how Tenset process to manage a fund, take care of the privacy security matters, and distribute profits amongst the users. We have managed to solve most of the technical challenges and are confident now that the solution we have proposed will work as intended. And also the Tenset app is coming out soon, so be on the lookout for that. So when I introduced Tenset to you, I told you that Tenset is a project I strongly believe in, and I am happy that the roadmap is being processed, and a lot of you has been asking for Tenset on Binance Smart Chain, and finally Tenset is on Binance Smart Chain. This is in addition to the gem section that is now launched on Tenset. So get ready for this. This is coming soon. I'll be giving you more news on this. Then I want to share one more thing with you, which is so an announcement was given that Tenset is coming soon on the Binance Smart Chain, and June 8th, Tenset announced that it is coming on the PancakeSwap. So after yesterday's update about Tenset migration to Binance Smart Chain, many of you have been asking questions, and it will come as no surprise to most of you that Tenset token will also be tradable on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is by far the largest decentralized exchange for Binance Smart Chain BEP20 token currently. It reaches almost 1 billion of daily trading volume. And although being similar to Uniswap, it offers some additional functionalities as farm, pools, and lotteries. It also has much lower fee for trading. Instead of tens of dollars per single transaction, PancakeSwap users pay only cents. Combining those attractive features will undoubtedly bring new users to the Tenset economy, and much lower fees will also allow everyone to trade more frequently. Tenset will also add substantial liquidity to PancakeSwap to facilitate trading by moving a part of Uniswap's liquidity pool fee profits. The exact detail on that will follow. Please, once again, beware of, so if you are reading this, beware of fake tokens tradable on PancakeSwap. Tenset token doesn't exist on the Binance Smart Chain yet, and therefore it is not tradable on the Binance Smart Chain. Please wait for our official announcement before risking your fund, and I here also will be giving you updates on that. So that is the video for today. Like I said, I'll be giving you more updates on Tenset and how you can actually, and all the things you can do with Tenset on PancakeSwap. Just wait for that video. That said, I will see you in the next video.